So Gary, I think a lot of women are so time poor and everybody wants to kind of regain that whole youthful feeling. What are your tips for looking 5 years younger in 5 minutes?
Oh, easy. What you actually essentially are doing is putting back what time has taken away from you. And to start with would be to pump the moisture back into your face, the moisture that you had when you were young.
Because you get so dehydrated.
Absolutely. So a good moisturiser would be my first step.
Great. And following that up, I think would be great. There are a whole lot of brand new products on the market called Blur products, and they're kind of like a souped up primer. And I personally think that using a primer and just taking a little bit of time, not a lot, just a little bit, 10 seconds.
Absolutely.
To put the primer on and then apply a hydrating foundation just to get that longevity happening.
Yes, absolutely. And the foundation, again, you're pumping the moisture back into your face with a hydrating foundation. I would take the time of putting the foundation on first and then looking at concealing, because the foundation itself will have a degree of coverage. And so then you'll be saving time by then just reassessing and going, oh, okay, I just need a little bit of concealer here.
And do you think just in the trouble spots like under the eyes and around the nose?
Definitely under the eyes and the inner part of the eye, just where it pinches in towards the nose. Absolutely. And then any little spots that you have or a little bit of rosacea that you may have as well.
Yeah, that's a great tip. And then I'm always talking about brows because I think they're the frame of the face, and almost if you have that right, everything just fits into place.
Absolutely. Again, time takes away your brows in a way. The hairs start to become finer, and so the overall look, they pale away a little. So what you want to do is bring that definition back, and that really does make you look more youthful. It does frame your eyes, and a good eyelash curler then on your lashes to lift the lashes up. And then to put a good mascara on as well will give you that lash look that you had back when you were
younger.
Absolutely.
And lower lashes as well, do you think?
Lower lashes only if it's an indelible mascara or a waterproof mascara.
To stop that fallout.
The fallout can add to the darkness underneath your eye again, so you're kind of chasing your tail.
Right, and then I'm just such a big believer in blush. I just think it can revolutionise your look and make you look healthier, and if you don't wear it, like your canvas can look a little bit flat.
Absolutely, and the trick, Steph, is to not necessarily put it on your cheekbones, but to put it just a little flush of colour just at the front of your cheekbones there to give you, again, that youthful look.
I guess, lucky last, just a really beautiful nude lip gloss with a bit of an SPF in it.
Perfect.
We are so under the pump with this.
Protect your lips and make them kissable and moist and gorgeous looking.
Yeah, fantastic.
Beautiful. I think you could do that in 3 minutes.
I think you could be right.